Welcome and welcome back to the channel. I'm Tequila B with TruLuv Designz, and here I talk about everything fashion, sewing, and DIY. So let's hop right into it. This week, Friday Sales episode is just all about what I'm working on and a few patterns that I picked up in the last McCall's sale at Joann's. So let's jump right into those patterns first. The first one is McCall's M8548, which is a costumes pattern. Now, I saw this pattern on someone else's channel, but I do remember it from Drew's channel, and I absolutely love what she did. I believe she made something kind of like View B with the spider web, and it just turned out really cute. But not only that, this is a circle skirt, and I would love to have an already made circle skirt pattern so I can go ahead and make my own skirts. So love this one. Next pattern is McCall's M8482. This is a Mrs. Tops and skirts, and I absolutely love this. I love View A and View B. I got this pattern mainly for the tops. Raven Maureen did this pattern, and I just knew I had to have it. I like this version of the top here, and she made a couple, and they were just super cute. But I also like View B here, which is the top with the tie. I think that is just super cute. I also picked up McCall's M7697, which is described as Mrs. Women's Tops, Dress, Shorts, and Pants. Now, the pattern is calling this a dress, which you can make it and wear it as a dress, but to me it just kind of looks like a flowy nightgown. That's what I would take from this pattern, but hey, who am I? It's not my pattern. I didn't make it. Anyways, I picked this pattern up mostly for the shorts because they are fairly simple. Now, I do have a like pajama set loungewear pattern already, but I needed one that was just a little more basic. And I don't mean just like basic with, you know, just throw the shorts together, but just something that would be like a little simpler and easier to create. I am working on some things for a client, which is what I'm doing this week. My focus is on getting these items out. And I am using 7697 View D, which is the shorts, to make a pair of pajama shorts. I made her a dress using this fabric, and she wanted me to turn it into some pajama shorts in a coordinate set, right? Well, there was enough for me to get the pajama shorts out of it, but not the coordinate set. So what I am going to use for the coordinate set, I'm going to use this fabric here, and I'm going to use this fabric for the cuff and the bands that's going to go on the top. For the skirt to the coordinate set, I self-drafted a pencil skirt pattern, which is what she wanted, and I believe that came out nicely. I haven't started on the skirt, but I do have the fabric cut out for the shorts. That short pattern is only 3 pattern pieces, your front and back short, and then there's a optional pocket if you so choose to use it. Now for the top for the coordinate set, I am going to use the Barbie top by Charm Patterns, just by Gertie. I'm gonna use this top here. I'm going to use this pattern here, and I'm going to make this view with these sleeves, the short sleeves, but I am going to add a band to the bottom of the sleeves. I also made some other adjustments, and I did self-draft my cuffs and my bands for the pattern, and I'll share more on that in a later video. Not a whole lot going on this week. I really just want to focus and get those things out. This is a coworker of mine, so I want to have it finished so I can give it to her on Friday. So keep your fingers crossed, because I am diligently working every day. Although each garment is very easy and simple to make, you know, sometimes life just happens. So fingers crossed this will be completed so that I can give these to her on Friday. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and make sure you like the video and share it with a friend. Until next time, keep sewing.